22. And sana makapagmawas ako ng timbang kasi ang bigat na talaga ng katawan ko. Ayoko na sa katawan ko. Sobrang bigat na. Good morning! Good morning sa inyo lahat. Good morning everyone. Today is Friday. Tuesday pala ngayon. Tuesday na ngayon. And July 22. Tulog pa si Aya kasi anong oras? 6:45 ng umaga. And anong gagawin natin ngayon? Wala na naman. Tambay na naman tayo dito sa bahay. Team bahay talaga tayo, Tay. Wala tayo nang gagawin. Wala magagawa kasi ang late ng bahay natin, Tay. So, ewan ko kung
the next day.
wait up. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome.
Welcome Papa.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome my vlog.
Welcome.
My vlog.
Sige, say welcome.
My vlog.
Let me just say welcome. You follow mama. You follow mama. You follow mama. Welcome. Hi. Hi guys. Welcome to our vlog. OA. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome.
Laika.
Say welcome. Welcome. Say welcome. Hi guys. Good morning. Good evening di ay. Good evening.
Good evening.
Mata pa si Aya. 11:30 na. Hi. Hi Kalangga. Say hi Kalangga. What's that?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Wanna eat bread?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chocolate bread.
Chocolate bread. Okay. You want chocolate bread?
Yum yum.
So, kinahanglan dyan may na-stock nga bread diri kay si Aya.
Chocolate.
Here. Okay. Taod-taod na siya pangayog. Chocolate bread or bread, I'm hungry. Sleep na ta?
No, I have bread.
You have bread. Wanna eat first? Oh, yummy. It's yummy. You're not sleepy? Nagdula pa siya. Ay, grabe ka yung dula ron. Wala ka na siya. Ang tulog ano niya, 11 sa buntag to
Mama.
11:30 ata. Iniring na po ka ha?
Meow.
No. Dirty ba? Ay, nako. Muna siya karon yun. Ano yung hilig? Pinairing-iring ba? Ay, nako ni Mabe. Minsan na po kay oras mata ug malas 11. Alas 9:30 na po. Ay, nako. Gusto ko matulog og sayo. Para makamatatag sayo. Wa, jud taanin ako eh. Ay, nako be.
Yum yum.
Aya still eating. You like it? Katugon ako, wala pa ko kapunas. I need to have bath. I still need to go hot. Mag-half bath pa ko karon ay Medyo sleepy na ako.
Mm-hmm.
Don't talk if your mouth is full na.
Cut.
Yeah, you. Okay? Don't talk if your mouth is full. You chew it first. No. Okay. So I have story to tell you. What story to So may share ako. Maybe tomorrow na lang siguro para mas ma-express na ko akong feelings. Okay. I'm still in process. I'm still in healing process. Healing process. So, si Aya sa inyong likod. She's looking at me. And then sundog-sundog sa ako. So, that's why lubot ni mo day.
Lubot.
Ay, lubot. Oh. Sus, lubot. Lubot. Gara-gara dyan ko.
Yung pang-ping pa.
As you observe, wala may kauban. Kamera duha. Because
Dapat.
we separate our ways. I cannot share this to you. I can't express my feelings now because it's really mixed emotion. Maybe month na siguro para sure na jud na buo na gid ang decisions about both side na among decision. And I am willing to accept what's the decision. So many. What's really the decision, and even if it really hurts, but it's time for us to be.
Mama, I need water.
She needs water.
The next day.
One.
Yeah, of course. Choose one.
That one. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, baby. I love you.
Choose.
Oh. You okay? Hey. What happened?
Nap, 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 nap.
Hi.
Nap, 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 nap.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Nap, 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 nap.
Nawa, nagigunting na ko. Gigunting na akong buhok. Gigunting na akong hair. Lush.
Mama.
What? Eat na, eat. Oh no. Ay, oh no. Where? This one? Moda ni gamit ni Aya. Ayun sa. Wait, Saba, let's promote this. This one. This is Higger Baby Rice Pure Baby Lotion. Nice siya sa skin. It glows your skin. It glows baby skin like this. Oh, look at the Agay, show your skin, Bob. This one like this. It's really like Nice lotion. Thank you. Oy! Ay! Hulugan ko. Agay. Silly baby. Agay. Hmm. Na. Wala na. Kilig. Ay! Kilikit. No, ha? Ay! Wala ko akong head. Oh no, oh no. Agay akong kamot. Badoy. Tuto, mama. No, please. Ay. Agay. Silly baby. Nakagara ba? Ayaw na ba? Sakit ka ayo. Ay, naku po. So later on, I have one. So later, I want this to share to you so that you will not be. Ay, naku. I-share ko later. Hi, Aya. Mami, there is a big walk. Nag-walking migikan. Dara among service. 5:30 pa migikan. Naglakaw, gikan balay. Naambot mi diri mga 6. And naambot sila diri sa Shangi. So, nagpalit di tagaan mi ko nila loy palit ra mi ko french fries o burger nya kaning ayaw gamay ra gikaon pero mga on pa ata mi unya kasi aya namunit og bato daga na pinatigom diri makita ba ninyo ngit man. Hi be. Hi. Hi, Aya. Say hi. Aya. Hi. Lululu. Hi. What's that? Stone? Rock? Stone rock. Hinay. Ayun.
Papa.
Ayaw, tira. Dali. Tara. Mana lagi na sa papa? Dali lang. Ulo-ulo. Tara. Ito na to. Tara. Let's go. Tara. Tira na lang pa. Stay. Wait,
Yung
Sayo, sayo, sayo.
Ang dance tayo,
Dance, dance, dance.
Dance. Oh, alam mo, nag-dance na. Oh, so nag-dance, oy.
¿Cómo hacer para no quererte? Yeah. Tú, nadie como tú.